What's poppin'? What's going on with it? Out here, getting ready to work on Vikki Black. What I got going on, man, is I got these little, I don't know, I'm gonna try to make them, they're little spotlights. I'm gonna try to make them like little running lights, and they're real cool. And I don't want a big bulky bracket like this. This is the bracket that comes with it, and it's awkward. So what I'm gonna end up doing is, if you can see right there, there's a little notch. I'm gonna try to cut down that notch, make a bracket where that bolt right there, where I can take that bolt out and mount the lights to it. And when it gets done, I think it'll look cool. It'll sit like about right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. It'll sit like right there, and it'll be a spotlight. So that's what I'm hoping. All right, I'm about to mess around for a little bit. It's hot out here, so I just got off work. It's in the middle of the week. It's Wednesday, so I don't know if I'm gonna be out here a long time or not, but we'll see what I can do. Here's the lights. Right there. The lights are right there. And this is a switch that I found. And I just kind of wired it up. These lights, if you can see, there's a red wire and a yellow wire. And that's because these lights have a yellow light and a white light in it. But what I'm gonna do is wire them in together, because they're LED, so it's not gonna draw a lot of power, and have both yellow and white and yellow lights coming out of my fog lights. So here's the switch. Pop them, they come on, they're real bright. If you can see, you see in the top the yellow and the white on the bottom. So when I'm going down the road, that's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna do some research and see if the yellow should be on the bottom or if the white should be on the bottom. I'm thinking I'm gonna do white on the bottom and yellow up a little bit higher. Getting it going. So that's the start of it. Next thing I gotta do is find a relay that I can use, so that when I that I can wire a relay in and wire a fuse in. All right, man. So I got the lights mounted. Let's check it out. They're mounted. Nice, clean look. All right, I'm gonna get them wired in, and we'll check it out.
Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running for my flaws. fall, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no other
dancing with my shadow in a room full of gold, trying to count on my regrets like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause, but the silence louder now than a million gods.
I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a reel. Seen queens trade crowns for a 6-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out the graveyard. Living like a movie, but the credits never roll. They gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an ache. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall.